Hi everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Okay, it's in the evening. It's beautiful out. I love mornings. I get up so early, like just to be out, and in the evenings. But so we did the green bean teepee for Stefan. We also did the DIY old swing clubhouse now for Stefan with green beans. He's got 3 strawberry beds, and now he wants his peanuts in here. He loves growing peanuts. So we started him from seed. I think there's a video. If not, you know, I could tell you how to do it. On the other side, there's an adult section. I'm growing hops. And on the other side, ackee berry. But most of this is all Stefan's. So he started these seeds. Let me see if I dated them. I didn't even date them. But they don't take long to come up. But I don't need a big area. Each plant produces roughly 50 peanuts. So since they only produce 50 peanuts per plant, guess how much the peanut farms are usually? 200 acres to produce enough peanuts. It's amazing. But let's talk the soil. The soil needs to be really loose. Baby's watching you guys. So what I do is I mix it with some sand, some compost, and regular soil. The reason being is, if you look at the roots, there are no peanuts coming off these roots. What happens is, it's going to flower. After it flowers, the whole plant is going to bend down and go into the ground. That's where all the peanuts are coming from. So it's amazing it does that. It's kind of sad though, because the flower is so pretty, you know. And so have really loose soil. So it's just like growing, you know, your, I guess, carrots, potatoes. They want loose soil, but this in particular. Okay, trivia question. So what 2 presidents were peanut farmers? You know, Carter, Jefferson. I never knew that. Jefferson and Carter were peanut farmers before they became presidents. That's really cool. See, everybody could do it. But anyway, it takes 540 peanuts to make a jar of peanut butter. So this is a quick video. I'm going to give you a tour of Stefan's green bean clubhouses. He hasn't named them yet, so we don't know what to name them. And I'll show you the strawberry beds. But please subscribe, like, and share. And the dogs are ready to go in and eat. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I think it's amazing. Oop, the sun got in the way. Okay, now that will be a blast. If it turns out, I'm going to turn that one into a magazine. So that was fun to make. So basically, by the time it's done, you won't see anything in the background. You won't see my pasture. So it will be amazing. And I'm probably going to put a couple zinnias on the front or by the logs. I thought that'd be really cute. And over here, remember I have the morning glory on the 2 front posts. So that'll be really cute. So maybe I should move over. That's all my hops. Isn't that cute? And all the strawberry beds. All right, I just had to show you.